In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an existing account in QuickBooks Online Accountant using the current desktop interface. We're going to keep this simple and focused so you can confidently adjust an account without disrupting your books. Editing an account is useful when you need to rename it for clarity, add or change an account number to match your chart structure, refine the account or detail type for better reporting, or update the description so your team knows exactly what it's used for. You can also adjust an opening balance when that's appropriate, though I'll share a quick caution on that in a moment. Start on the QuickBooks Home dashboard. From here, click All Apps. In the Accounting section, choose Chart of Accounts. This takes you to the full list of accounts in your company file. Take a moment to locate the account you want to update. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to narrow it down. Make sure you're selecting the exact account you intend to change, especially if you have similarly named accounts for different subcategories. Once you've found it, look to the Action column on the right. Click the small arrow drop-down next to the account and select Edit. This opens the Account Details panel, where you can safely make your changes. Update the fields you need. Account name should be clear and consistent with your naming conventions, so it's easy to find later. If you use account numbers, enter or update the account number to keep your chart organized. This helps with sorting and external reporting. For account type, choose the correct category, like asset, liability, income, or expense. This directly affects how the account appears on financial statements, so be deliberate here. Detail type provides more specific classification within the account type, which can improve report accuracy and mapping. Add a concise description to guide teammates on when to use this account and when not to. If you need to adjust an opening balance, do so carefully. Changes here can impact historical balances and reconciliations, so confirm the date and amount, and coordinate with your accountant if you're unsure. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. QuickBooks will update the account immediately, and you'll see the revised name or number right in the chart of accounts. Your reports will reflect these updates going forward, and if you change the type or detail type, keep an eye on your financial statements to ensure the account now sits in the correct section. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.